Okay, this time I'll show you how to use a BorderPane. It's going to be pretty similar to floor pane. So let me just create one project. Again, I'm still using JDK 1.8. Okay, make sure you copy package name in front of fxml documents. Example will be very similar, so let me create one folder called image. Then I will download maybe 5 different icons. So same place, you can go to icons8.com so that you can download license-free icons. Actually, it's up to you. So let me just drag and drop so that I can download to my desktop. I think that's okay for images. So now we can go back to NetBeans. You can drag and drop to image folder. Image folder on the same project, and then some same package name. Okay, now we open SimBuilder. So let me just get rid of anchor pane because I'm going to use BorderPane. It's alphabetic order, so BorderPane here. So if you look at here, it's divided into 5 different sections: top, left, center, right, and bottom. So you can drag and drop image view for top. Just have a look at the locations. Then image view left. Then image view for right hand side. Then bottom. Okay, center I will try to use label. Okay, I will just name it as a score 0. Then let me select the items, maybe just in order, orange. Left hand side, pumpkin. Right hand side, soy. Then bottom one, I will use tomato. So let me have a look at preview. So what I'm trying to do is when you click the image of certain fruits, it will just increase the score. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Okay, let me name for label object LBL score. So you choose the orange. I will call it as an image view orange, ivory orange, then ivSoy, ImageView, ivTomato, then the last one, ivPumpkin. Okay, let me just fix ivory that looks like a L. So image view orange. Okay. So the mouse events we are looking for is it should be down there. Okay. Or mouse clicked. So when you click the orange, then I will say orange mouse clicked. So you save it. Then let me go back to NetBeans. So that make new controller, actually update controller. Let me remove all implementations, handle button action. So if you look at line 40 to 41, orange mouse click, this is how we are going to use it. So let me just have a one variable called score. So orange, I will say score equal to 10. Then label score. Okay, I think there's a typo, LBL score. Then again, there's incompatible types. The score is integer, so you may need to change the string value because set text has a string value. Okay, string value score. Okay, we just do typecasting from integer to string. I think that's all. And let me just put the score. So you will appear as a score 10 once you click orange. But when you click second time, it may show you 20. Okay, mouse events, click once, 10, click one more, 20, 30. That's the idea. So everything is pretty much the same. So let me go back to Sim Builder. Then you go to next image. Then look for mouse event, mouse clicked. So soy mouse clicked. Okay, next one I will go to tomato, mouse clicked. Last one pumpkin, mouse clicked. Everything is the same. Okay, save it, go back to NetBeans, make controller. So you should be able to see 3 additional methods. So let me just copy and paste because implementation might be slightly different. Only score, possibly maybe 20. Okay, the first time you may need to practice, so I highly recommend you to type it. Maybe next one I will just copy paste it. Okay, there is a typo. It actually works because the score is a string, but I still recommend you to do typecasting. Then tomato and soy, I will just copy and paste it. Okay. Okay, I will change the value to 30 for tomato. Then 42 soy. Okay. Okay, let's quickly have a look at demo. Okay, the first one give you 10, soy 40, so 50. Tomato is 30, so it's going to give you 80. Pumpkin additional 20, so it'll be 100, and so on. Okay, that's it. Thank you.